I know a place that sound and safe for us now. No need to hide or say goodbyes, leave them out.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillah, walhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah, wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa mawalah. Hello everyone, my name is Tuti Alawiah. Today I'm going to tell you a story about what that's noise. So, let's listen to the story. Tweet, 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 tweet. Who's making the tweet? I'm trying to sleep. What, that the first? No, it's not the first. What, that's the bird? Yes, it must be the bird. Who's making that bird? It's coming from the park. What's that's the monkey? No, it's not the monkey. What's that be the dog? Yes, it must be the dog. Who's making that bark? They can be far. Is it the cow? No, it's the sheep. Who's making that noise? The bird? The dog? The fish? The cow? No, it's Daddy. He's fast asleep. Thank you for attention. Bye. See you next time. Wassalamu'alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.